A delicious and moist carrot cake. It's a classic cake that's perfect for any occasion, and it's super easy to make. Ingredients. For the cake. 1. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 3. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 4. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 5. 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. 6. 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. 7. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 8. 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar. 9. 1 cup of vegetable oil. 10. 3 large eggs. 11. 2 cups of grated carrots. 12. 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, optional. Ingredients. For the cream cheese frosting. 1. 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened. 2. 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened. 3. 3 cups of powdered sugar. 4. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and grease 2 9-inch round cake pans with cooking spray. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, beat the sugar and vegetable oil together until combined. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Fold in the grated carrots and chopped pecans, if using. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared cake pans and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool completely in the pans before removing and frosting. To make the cream cheese frosting, beat the softened butter and cream cheese together until smooth and creamy. Gradually add in the powdered sugar and vanilla extract, and continue to beat until the frosting is smooth and fluffy. Place 1 cake layer on a serving plate and spread a thick layer of frosting on top. Add the second cake layer on top and spread another layer of frosting over the entire cake. Decorate the top of the cake with any additional pecans or decorations that you desire.